is the new supermarket that's replacing food pantry. It's gonna be huge though, from what I see. They had this side blocked off for a long time. We couldn't even walk over here. They had this side of the street blocked off, I think.
Keep going there.
Oh. Oh, that's their staff. That's the staff. Oh. That's a... Yeah, maybe, ooh, they're gonna open soon. They're gonna call it Waikiki Market. Waikiki Market or something like that. So this replaced food pantry. I don't know when it's gonna open. Sometime this year. But there is a food pantry down at Hobron, yeah, Hobron. Still, but this is gonna be the big one, Waikiki Market or something. This is Kūhiō Avenue. That is. We're gonna go look at that site over there where the old King's Village was. It's gonna be, wow, it's gonna be at the bottom of that condo or whatever that is. That whole building is brand new, I think. And that is Princess Kaʻiulani statue with her peacock. She looks like a peacock. She was half Scottish, half Hawaiian, I think. That was Archibald Cleghorn or something.
Yeah.
Sore, yeah. If you step on that, lose your footing. We're just gonna peek inside here. That is King's Village. Oh my gosh. Nothing is going on in there. Nothing's going on in there. Oh, so sad. Nope. Nope. Can you see inside? Or over here? You see?
Oh, it's only a parking lot.
Yeah, it's only a parking lot.
Oh,
right
look,
now.
it's open down there.
Oh.
The gate's open.
Wonderful.
Anybody can park here.
Don't take our word for it though. Yeah, true, but that's the Sheraton Princess Kaʻiulani Hotel over there. Let's go down Koa Ave. Oh wow, there's all kinds of police cars over there. What's going on? Great. No, it's for the construction workers. I think this is Koa Ave. There used to be all these shops and restaurants here on the side of King's Village. All gone now. Yeah. We're not going there to check out why the police cars are there. We just happen to be walking down here. Huh? KBS Koa Board Sports. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, taking care of business over there. I think somebody's in the car there. Yeah, don't do it. Don't shop it. Not worth it. The beach is on that side over there. Yeah, let's go. You can do surfboard rentals and stuff in there too. Restaurant. Okay. Billabong. With some souvenir t-shirts from Crazy Shirts also. This is a really expensive hotel, I think. Let's try it. This is one or two eggs and things. Another eggs and things here on Saratoga, on the other side by the post office. They have the eggs and things in Japan too. It's crazy. The Japanese, they love the eggs and things and cool aina sandwich. Oh look. This is Austin's favorite, and then the birds. McDonald's. You're walking on Waikiki, you can see some stuff, some words in the sidewalk. Let's read it. On responsibility, concern, right, privilege. I think this whole corner has Kuleana on there. Don't forget to like and subscribe to PhotoLuke Hawaii if you haven't already. Appreciate it. Don't forget to share with anybody who might be interested in it. Sorry I'm talking so much. Our first few videos we're doing for the New Year's. This is where Pac Beach Hotel used to be. No, it's ʻAlohilani Resort. I missed that restaurant that they had in there with the big tank.
Oh, Pac Beach.
Yeah, but they still have the tank, but not. Cheeseburger paradise. And they have the plaques of people up there and the information at the bottom of the if you didn't know. Honolulu Cookie Company, wow, they took off, yeah. I mean, they even have commercials on the Hawaiian Airlines.
Yeah, and then they served us the cookie on the plane.
Huh?
They gave us the cookie on the plane.
Oh, that's right. Oh, that's right. That was a Honolulu cookie. Wow, you know,
Pineapple chili.
Big Island candy cookies were so big before, and then now it's like got overrun by Honolulu cookie, yeah. I feel like.
And I think they're both good.
Oh yeah, they totally are good, but now Honolulu cookie is everywhere, yeah. And Big Island Candies is only Ala Moana Center and then in Hilo too, yeah. Is there another one? Those two. Sorry, get ready. Watch out for these people who like to give samples. Oh, what's your stuff? She knows, she likes. She's like,
Oh, it's walk already.
yeah.
I need this. I just want to make shady spot.
Then they take a picture of it. Stop that.
Wolfgang Fox is pretty good at fish and chips over there. And the I see it over there, but it's not open, I guess. Maybe for New Year's.
I think I had to help rescue her.
Lulu's. That food was good there, just we had to wait long, yeah, when we ordered.
Yeah, it's really long.
Waikiki Walls down there. Kapahulu Ave right here on the left. This is Kalākaua Avenue. And Honolulu Zoo is over there. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe, and if you can hit the thumbs up for the like, that would be awesome, because that really helps us out. You know, we also have PayPal too, if anybody wants to contribute and help us support us, because I do this full time. So I hope everybody had an awesome holiday, and thanks for watching. Happy 2023, everybody, if I didn't already tell you. Have a great day, everybody. Bye. Aloha. And don't forget, we have channel memberships and Patreon if you want to join us and support us on there.